Welcome to Mr. Anonymous King YouTube channel. Today topic: how to install Termux bug fix desktop. All commands in description. Clear. This command used to clear the text screen in terminal. pkg update. This command used to updating the packages. pkg upgrade. This command used to upgrading the packages. pkg install git. This command used to download or cloning the GitHub tools. Git clone depth equals 1. Anon cd Termux desktop bug fixed anon chmod plus x setup.sh anon setup.sh install. This command uses to install the Termux bug fixed tool and set up automatically. This process take a 20 or 30 minutes. It depends on your internet connection, wait, and download. If you have a problem installation, write your problem in below comment box. Click Allow. Set VNC password. If you have laptop, use that IP address and port number and your laptop VNC viewer you can use in Termux desktop in your laptop. After your installation successfully, type exit command to exited the Termux. Open again Termux and type start desktop. Type start desktop. Once as you see the error server already running Tiger VNC server session, it's showing kill VNC server Y or N. This meaning do you kill VNC server kill or not, yes or no. Open BVNC viewer, download and install BVNC in Play Store. Thank you for watching. Subscribe Mr. Anonymous King YouTube channel, share with your friends and family.